now what we've done is we've finished the hair. I put a lot of different designs in there. Most of them are organic. There's some that are a little bit more geometric, like the kind of pluses I have in here. There are straight lines, which is fine, but notice how they kind of all move more organically. So now we're going to do a contrast between the organic shapes in here. We're now going to focus on more geometric shapes for the background. Yeah, I really hope that you watched the video, or you got it from earlier in the video, the difference between geometric and organic shapes. Which organic is kind of, I always think of it just more like the body, more rounded, stuff like that. Where geometric shapes are a little bit more straight. So I'm going to come up with a design in the background. The only thing you're really going to need for this right now is a pencil and a ruler. Now, I'm going to draw a little bit darker with this because I want you to be able to see it on camera. But draw lightly, very lightly, because you're going to want to go over this in crayons and or oil pastels. And if you draw too dark, you're going to see the pencil through them. So I'm going to draw dark, but I want you to draw lightly. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So is there any type of rhyme or reason to what I just did? Not really. I just wanted to make it look more straight. You could just put triangles in the background. You could make a giant rectangle. You don't have to do what I did. I cannot stress that enough. I would actually prefer if you did something different than what I did. What I ended up doing was just kind of imagining there was a vanishing point here, and then lining up my ruler in regards to it. Now, was it perfect? No, but we don't really need that. So now that I've gone and penciled in my lines here, I'm going to go ahead and use the crayons once again for the background. Just going through the bin of crayons here, I ended up finding, I kind of wanted to think about what I wanted to do for the background, and it's a good idea. Now, this is not a requirement of the project. This is just kind of a suggestion. Do a different type of color that you haven't done in here. So I did blues here, and I did warm colors out here. But, I mean, not all warm colors. Yeah, I pretty much did all the warm colors. So I decided, since I don't have any green in here, I'm going to use green for the background. Now, I'm going to still use my ruler if I want to. I don't have to. If you think you got steady enough hands, you can. But I'm going to go ahead and color the background so you guys can see what this is going to end up looking like. All right, here you go. It's pretty much done. Now, I did use a ruler. What you're going to have to do when you're done is make sure you wipe off the side of the ruler. Just get a paper towel and use that because you can see it's on my hand. That next person who would use that would get this all over the place. So just be weary of what you are using. The other thing that I'm not mentioning is you can't really see it on the camera, but there is little specks of oil pastels, just where they fell and stuff like that. It's okay. Don't freak out over it. It's just the way things are going to look while you're making it. The next step is we're going to go ahead and use the watercolors. So there you go. Organic shapes on the inside, geometric in the background. And notice I didn't fill in all of them. I'm going to use watercolors for a majority of that.